We got some new data coming out showing companies paid a record amount of taxes last year. We get more on all of this from Robert Frank. Robert.
Good morning, Andrew. Well, corporate tax revenue hitting an all-time high in the latest fiscal year. That's according to the Congressional Budget Office. Corporate income tax receipts hitting $370 billion. That's in the 2021 fiscal year ended September 30th. That was up 71%, or I should say 75% over last year, and up 61% over 2019. It was also higher than the period before the Trump tax cuts, which of course brought that corporate rate down from 35 to 21%. So you had lower rates and more revenue. Now, as a share of GDP, corporate taxes are also higher, now at about 1.63%. The reason for these higher revenues? Well, record corporate profits. Many say this won't be repeatable since the surge in profits followed the shutdowns of the pandemic. But if you look at revenue from the wealthy, that was also near records. Income tax revenue up 28%, expected to top $2 trillion. Tax experts say much of that was from capital gains, with the wealthy cashing in on their gains from stocks and other assets. But if you look at total federal taxes paid in the fiscal year, they reached an all-time high in nominal terms of more than $4 trillion. That was the highest share of GDP in taxes paid in almost 20 years. Andrew?